Hey there, so today I will just be doing a little unboxing for a purse that I have been eyeing for a while now. It is the Coach Cassie, the regular one, not the 19. So basically I have been on the lookout for this purse ever since I saw the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. However, being that I am currently a student, funds aren't really that easily accessible for me right now, so I was trying to look online to see if there's anything that I could buy that's still a good quality purse that would have the same features as the Pochette Metis. So luckily I was able to locate the Coach Cassie. It was regularly priced for $425. I have been looking at it from time to time just to see if it would ever go on sale. Luckily last week I saw that the color that I wanted, which was the Pollen one, kind of like a mustard yellow, was finally on sale. Again, originally $425, it went on sale for $212.50 Canadian. So I just grabbed the opportunity, put it in my cart, and today I got it. So I will be unboxing this. I'm super excited, and yeah, I've already planned outfits to try with this purse, and so yeah, let's see what it is. Pair of scissors. Let's see here. Right, so this aside. So it comes with this little card, thank you for shopping, and this little wrap in here. And what is in here? My receipt. So yeah, including taxes. Oh, it doesn't show here with the tax, but yeah, it's $212.50. Aside for now. Okay, so here's the purse. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so again, I got the Pollen color with pewter hardware. And it's just what I was expecting. Material wise, it looks gorgeous. No cracks, no scratches. Let's remove all of this here. Okay, so very quickly, those who have not seen other reviews for this purse before, dimensions I will put in the description box below, but essentially it's a top handle purse with a Turnlock closure. here. Has 3 compartments, just like the Pochette Metis. So we have a small back compartment here, like more of a bigger compartment here at the middle with a slit pocket and a zip pocket, and a front compartment here. Also has like a back pocket where you can put your cell phone for easy access. Also has its own crossbody strap and a little leather dog tag here. So overall, it looks like it's in very good condition here. I have no complaints so far. I will try to use it over the weekend. I already have something planned, an activity that I wanted to do, and I was planning on using this. And yeah, I will provide a review once I have gone out on a first activity with the purse. But overall, I'm so excited. Again, this is something that I have been eyeing for a while now, for the past couple of months. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this right now. I've wanted a Pochette Metis, but I've watched several videos saying that you know, in terms of the affordability of it, quality is good, and I mean, it looks like it's a very durable bag. But yeah, if you want to be on a budget but still look nice, it would be something that would be a nice addition to your purse collection. So yeah, I will provide a review once I've used it. I'm gonna do a what's in my bag, and see what it fits. And yeah, hopefully you come back and watch that video. Thank you so much. Bye.